Hey, how's your seatbelt?
Wow. What did you do? Can't you? Oh my god.
You don't know how to unlock it.
No.
Hers is locked too.
Can you fix it?
No, we broke it. Why'd you take your seatbelt off?
Because I needed to fix it.
Put your seatbelt on.
I can't because you guys don't know how to unlock a seatbelt. Here, you pull. Oh, you just do this. Get that back, and now pull it. We didn't do anything.
Her seatbelt lock.
Leave the seatbelts alone, please.
They were both.
A little too late.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, we did.
Just saying how good you guys were today, and now
We didn't do anything, Sandy. You guys are playing with my seatbelt.
Be quiet.
It wasn't me. Yeah, you guys can have yours.
Look at how gross this is. Oh, you can't see it. Show me the other one. Oh, wait. You can't really notice. Ew, I think it's in our ears now.
No, it's in this one.
You don't touch it. Wait. Oh, you can see like all the earwax in there.
That's from there.
Hey guys, this was video 1 on Eric and Hunter YouTube channel. Peace. What's up? Peace.